One of my students asked this question. Express the equation cot theta minus 2 tan theta is equal to sin 2 theta in form of a cos 4 theta plus b cos square theta plus c is equal to 0. So let's solve this question. In this one, first of all, we will break this cot theta and tan theta into its simplest form. In place of cot theta, we will start to write with the same equation. Cot theta minus 2 tan theta is equal to sin 2 theta, and sin 2 theta we know that is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. After that we will break this sin 2 theta in form of 2 sin theta cos theta. Now in place of cot theta we will use cos theta over sin theta minus 2 times, in place of tan theta we will use sin theta over cos theta is equal to 2 times of sin theta cos theta. Now you will take the LCM. When you will take the LCM, you will apply the Smile method. Cross multiply these two. Cos theta with cos theta will become cos square theta minus twice of sin with sin. It will become sin square theta, and as the denominator sin theta cos theta. On the other side, 2 sin theta cos theta. Now this denominator we will shift on the other side. It will become cos square minus 2 sin square theta, cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta, and when I will shift this on the other side, it will become 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Now as we know that we have to convert this question in form of cos. If he will ask to convert in form of sine, then you will remove the cos from here or convert in form of sine. But here in this question he is asking to convert this into cos. So you have to remove this cos. We know that sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This formula we will use at both sides. So it will become cos square theta minus 2 times of 1 minus cos square theta. Over there 2 in place of sin theta, 1 minus cos square theta. This cos square theta as the multiple is already present here. Now open this with a bracket with this 2. Cos square theta minus 2 minus minus plus 2 cos square theta is equal to, now we will multiply this 2 cos square theta with 1. It will be 2 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta cos square theta. So it will become minus 2 cos 4 theta. Now we will simplify. Here you can see cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta, and here it will become 3 cos square theta. You will shift this 2 cos square theta also there. So if you will bring all together, so cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta will become 3 cos square theta minus 2. Here you will bring this one minus 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos 4 power theta. So 3 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta will be cos square theta. Now I am going to write in descending form. This will become 2 cos 4 theta. Then after plus cos 3 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta, it will become plus cos square theta, and minus 2 is here, it will come here, it's equal to 0. After getting this answer, we will compare with the equation in which form he was asking for. So when you will compare, you will find a was the coefficient of cos 4 theta, and here we have 2. So we can say that a is equal to 2, and the coefficient of cos square theta was b, and here coefficient of cos square theta is 1. We know that if there is no number, it means 1. So b is equal to 1, and c is the constant, so c is equals to minus 2. So this one is the answer of first part, in which he is asking to convert this in this form and find the value of a, b and c. For the second part, what you have to do, this equation you will consider, and in this equation you will convert this equation in form of the quadratic equation. For part B, you will suppose let cos square theta is equal to 2. So it will become 2t square plus it will become t minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you have a quadratic equation. You can solve this quadratic equation with the help of quadratic formula, or you can use this with the help of direct calculator. Quadratic formula is, you may remember, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. It will give you the values of t. So when you will simplify with the help of calculator, you will find two values of t. T is equal to 0.7808 and t is equal to, let's call it t1, and t2 is equal to minus 1.2808. These two values you can find with the help of this formula or by using the calculator function directly. And then after, you will substitute these values with the help of this condition that cos square theta is equal to t. So it means the value of t you will substitute. So it will become cos square theta is equal to 0.7808 and cos square theta is equal to minus 1.2808. And then after, you have square, you will take the root value of these two. Over there you have negative 1, so you will not find the solution of this one. Here you will take the root and you will find cos theta is equal to plus minus, because when you will remove the root you will get the plus minus 0.8836. Here you will get the value of cos theta. Now we will solve this by the equation method. You know that what's the equation method? In this equation method, first you will find the base angle. What's the base angle? So for the base angle you will find theta is equal to cos inverse. We take the positive value for finding the base value, 0.8836. This we will discuss in any of other video, that how you will find the different type of equation. You will find theta is equal to cos inverse 0.8836, and then theta will be equals to 27.9 degree. This thing you can find with the help of calculator, that cos inverse of this value will give you theta is equal to 27.9 degree. It means if the value of cos is positive, then we remember this rule. Also this is the same thing what we will discuss in solving equation question. In this coordinate, first coordinate, all sine, cos, tan will be positive. In this one, you will find sine, tan, cos. You can remember as all students taking coffee. So, with the help of this concept, you will find that the cos value is positive in first quadrant and in fourth quadrant. It means the angle will be this or angle will be this one. We know that the angle in the first quadrant will be theta, and the angle will be fourth quadrant will be 360 minus theta. So here you will find the first angle with positive value. First we are discussing the positive value, as we have two positive and negative value. Positive value you will find as theta 1 is equal to 27.9 degree, this first value, and second value you will find 360 minus 27.9, theta 2 is equal to 360 degree minus 27.9. So you will find the second angle. For the negative one, for the negative value, if we consider negative angle, so in this coordinate we know that the cos value is negative in second and third coordinate, and in second coordinate what will be the angle? This angle is 180 minus theta, and this one is 180 plus theta. Again, I repeat that these rule we will discuss in the question solving the trigonometric equation. So whenever you have negative angle, negative value, it means we are considering cos theta is equal to minus 0.8836. So in this case, what will happen? You will find this angle by 180 minus base angle, and base angle was, that was the base angle 27.9, 27.9. So here you will find the first value with this negative angle, this one will be 152.1 degree, and the second angle, second value, what you will get from this one will be 180 plus 27.9. So when you will add, you will find the next answer of this question. So here, like this, you will find four values of this equation. But after finding all these four values, in the question it was mentioned that for the range 90 less than theta less than 180 degree, it means you will accept, you will write only those angles which are present in this range. So according to this, whatever the value exists there, you will write this 27.9 degree, this one will be rejected value. On the other side, when you will find 360 minus theta, this angle, this will also be rejected value. In this one, 152.1, yes, this one is existing in this range, so our first answer is 152.1. This one 180 plus something, so definitely it will more than 180, we will also reject this value. So only the answer is 152.1 degree. Hope you will understand. If you will find any of the doubt, any of the question, then please write a message to me, then inshallah I'll try my level best to reply back to you. Thank you.